Oh my gosh. That's wild.
Both okay?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Okay. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good. A little crazy, huh?
Like it's been there for ages, but I needed that to happen.
Yeah, those ribs were stuck. And how's that feel compared to before?
Yeah, I felt like I could had a limit before, and now it's like free.
Yeah, just bend right on over backwards.
Yeah, just like flip over, yeah.